Stop by and take a look at 2012 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, tow hitch, power passenger seat, navigation system, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.